Hello, Mark. I greet you in the name of our Lord Jesus, and I also send our greetings to the whole members within the Tree Village Rotary Club. I believe there are some members so far who join you to reach us some food to help our kids within this ministry. I appreciate so much. Thank you for your endless support and prayers. Indeed, you have done us very well. There is a great change within our ministry as far as food is concerned. So to give you a little bit of story about my life and the ministry, I was brought up in a very poor family. I'm Mandy David by names, and I grew up in a very poor family, whereby getting even food, but it was really a problem. But I thank God who touched to someone who came up and helped me up the college level. After my college level, I decided to start up a ministry mainly to help the poor and the poor and the orphan kids, so to give them some hope, because I knew how it could pain to be poor and orphaned. So I started slowly by slowly, and then in 2016, I decided to start up an orphanage school after realizing in our community many kids could stay without going to school. Then I decided to come up with this idea of a school. It wasn't all that easy, but God has been on my side. As I'm talking today, we have 120 kids within that school, but God has been so faithful. God has been so good. Our ministry is in Uganda, part of East Africa, in our local district Mitiana and the local village Danya. It's where we are located, and we have been using local temporary structures for some good time, but whenever it could rain, we could be affected by floods coming inside the classes, and everything would be spoiled because of poor structures, as I will be showing you. But later, last year, we believed God to start up a permanent structure. It wasn't all that easy, but without God who has enabled us so much. Mariam Tura Sagala Fujo. So but I thank God who has been so faithful that our building has moved on. The building stopped in December. Then this work stopped. We have been believing God to complete this building. Recently, just a few weeks back, Good Samaritan gave us some timbers to help us in the roofing, and now we have been in the lockdown, but the government is releasing some sectors slowly by slowly, and some 1 week and a half our government allowed us to continue with the construction, and we had to use the available materials to continue with our work. So far as I'm talking, we have put some timbers on top, but we don't have the iron sheets, the money to pay the money for the labor. So I request you kindly to stand with us in prayers and in any hope where possible, so that we may push up this work, so that this building may be well completed. So emikono gyamwe njagala muterere bulungi, lw'emimwaju gikole bulungi, bweyagala kwambala galubindi ziizo. So slowly by slowly we are believing God to complete this building, because I believe it's going to bring great hope within this community. The work is going to bring great hope within this community and within our site. So continue praying for us and believing with us, so that we may complete that work to bring great hope, to create a good environment within our community, so that the building may bring great hope within the community. So Mark, I pray for all of you. I greet you all. I love you so much. Be blessed.